Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just wanted to run through the agenda for Wednesday, November 18th and Thursday, November 19th. So right now you are listening to and watching this first, which is just going through the agenda and the objectives for the following 2 days. Very similar to like how we would start class if we were in the physical classroom. So we have different sections that we are going to be working on. One thing that we need to do is to go back and do some reviewing. So we are going to watch and complete some review notes from the same section that we did last time. Those will be on pages 16 through 18. I have broken the videos into 2 parts so that you can complete and work along with me in those videos. And I'll let the choice be up to you. Do you want to do those pages and come back and check in the videos? Or do you want to work with me step by step? So wherever you feel that you are with the learning process, go ahead and choose to do that the way that works best for you. After you do that, we've had a lesson on it, we've had homework on it, we've had an additional review on it, we're ready to take an assessment on it. And so we have our slope-intercept form quiz and our point-slope form quiz. So if you have not yet tried the homework for those things, you need to do that first. So you need to go back to the previous day's module, go into Math Excel, find that slope-intercept form homework, slope and point-slope form homework, and practice on those first. Remember that you can try multiple attempts, you can ask for help. That's where that learning needs to take place, where you're doing those practice problems, just like you would do in class, okay? Also keep in mind that, kind of jumping a little bit ahead here, that we always have those Zoom sessions. So if you do hit a spot in which you are confused, make sure that you write down the problem or have the problem up on your screen so that you can share it when we come to the Zoom session. We have a Zoom session this week at noon on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. And although I don't have them up on your calendar yet, we'll have one on Monday and Tuesday next week before we go on to break. Okay? So this part of the module is pretty much review and assessment from our previous lesson. And then we'll go into some new material. And so over here you can see it says watch and complete. This is new material. And have broken it into 4 different parts for you, so that you can stop and start and watch in small segments instead of a long period of time. And so that does pages 19, a lot of information there, so broken into 2 parts, page 20, and then page 31. And so the goal for that, or our objective for that, is going to be learning everything that we need to know about standard form. And so now that will be the 3rd form of a linear equation. We've already done our slope-intercept form and our point-slope form, and now we'll be on to our standard form. So by the time you get done, you should be able to do the following. You should be able to tell me how to write something in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. That's our first major objective. Our second major objective is that you should be able to tell me how to locate both the x and the y intercept if we are given an equation in standard form. And then the last thing is we should be able to choose to graph if it is appropriate from standard form. So those are the things that we're going to be looking at as you go through the new material today in your quarter 2 notebook. At the end of that, you'll see that you have your homework assignment. There's one assignment for homework, and that is the standard form homework in Math Excel. Okay, just once again, Zoom sessions there if you need help. And Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you. I really hope to see a lot more people at these Zoom sessions. I just know that we're now starting to hit into more rigorous material that we haven't necessarily seen before. So please show up. It is not anything stressful or anything to have anxiety about. You either unmute yourself and ask the question, or just type the question in the chat room, and we answer the questions for you. So it's a good way to clear up any confusions that you are having. All right, have a good day. Talk soon.